These are 10 Quest 2 life hacks you did not know about. The first one is you can make a password on your Quest. So what you gotta do is just go into the settings and then find a passcode, and you can make like an Android. You know how those Androids, you got those passwords where you just swipe down. You can make any pattern you want. I'm not gonna make one because I don't need to. So you guys can if you have other family members and stuff like that. Me, I just use my Quest by myself. Next one, you can actually take a screenshot with your controllers. It is super simple. Let me go get my controller real quick. So if you get your controller and you just hold the Oculus button and then you press the trigger, you take a screenshot really easily. So if you got like a moment in game you just want to take a picture of, you got it right there. Here's a fun fact. Every time you open up the app on your phone, so if you open up the app with your phone, they have like a thing you find at the bottom of your screen. It's like 30% off if you use the code Oculus 30. You can go ahead and use the code. It did help me save some money. You can't use it on bundles though. Kind of sucks, I mean. So if you use the code Oculus 30, I think you can do it on the phone. I'm not sure if you can do it on the headset itself. You can do that. You can figure that out all on your own. I'm not gonna be there to help you. We're grown. There's this new Quest headphones they have. It looks like the Valve Index headphones. If you like look at them, they look really close and they're new, but they're like $100. Nobody has $100. I don't have $100. This is pretty much all the money I have with me. There's a $20 bill. It's ridiculous. You pay $100, you put them on your headphones. They look 3D printed. Plug them in using this USB-C cord. But the issue with it is like if you use it, you can't play PCVR. So the whole point of having the headphones on your ears so you can actually play PCVR and hear well, instead of having these big chunky headphones, they're too heavy. I'm not gonna buy them. No one's gonna buy them. Logitech Chorus off-ear integrated audio for the Meta Quest. They're white. I mean, they look cool. It's just I'm not spending $100 on that. There's no way. All right, so the next thing you gotta know is like there is a comfort rating on every game. If you look at the menu of the game, there's like a comfort rating. I never looked at those a day in my life. I don't think you should either, which is why I'm telling you completely ignore them, right? If you want to be comfortable playing a VR game, then you will not be playing VR to begin with. If you want a comfortable experience, don't even waste your money. This thing costs $400 anyways. Even if you like if you get motion sick, don't even worry about the comfort rating, because some games obviously will get you motion sick like VR roller coasters and stuff like that. But if you're not gonna play a VR roller coaster, you will be fine. If you have motion sickness, just toughen up. Like there's nothing else I can tell you. Just get tougher, play more VR. That's like going to the gym. You put in more reps. The more reps you put in, the stronger you get. So the more VR you play, guys, this one is low-key kind of illegal. Not really. It's best if you know. If you have a PC and you play PC VR games, but you want games for cheap on the low, you got to go to a website called G2A. So we're in G2A right now, and if you just go to video games, I think you can just type in like G2A VR games, and they got all the games. They got Super Hot, they got Star Trek, they have Phasmophobia, they have Super Hot. Boom, $10 right there. Okay guys, they have a very limited selection. Anyways, they have a whole section for VR games. Don't let Zuckerberg know that I was the one who told you. Some games require you to have a whole new Steam account. Some games don't. You should put carpet on the ground when you play in VR. So for example, if you like play on the ground, your Guardians, for some reason, I don't know what's wrong with you, but if for some reason you just lose track of your space, you can put a carpet on the ground, a small one, which will help you know where you are. So you have a wooden floor like me, as you can see right down there. You can feel it when you're on the wooden ground. You step back and put it on the carpet. Clearly I don't play with the carpet. I'm just not like that. Only babies play with carpet. But if you're a baby, you just play with carpet. I'm sorry, we don't do that out here. If you run into the wall, that's all on you. You have to take accountability. But just so you know, if you put a carpet on the ground, you're on the losing team. All right, you can change your boundary color. So the Guardian around you, it could be either yellow, purple, or blue. If you pick yellow, something is wrong with you. I'm gonna tell you that. Blue and purple, they're absolutely valid colors. So if you pick yellow, I can't help you. You can do that in the settings. I think one of the settings experiment. I don't know. We're grown. You can use a Quest. You bought it. You can find it. Hopefully it will stop you from absolutely destroying your Quest, like this guy right here. Pretty messed up. I mean, that couldn't be me though. Guys, the final thing I got for you is you can create a Meta account. Hold on. Yeah, you can make a Meta account. This is a new feature. I was just logging into the Oculus app and then they made me switch to a Meta account. I didn't want to do it. I didn't care enough. Meta, Facebook account, doesn't matter what you have. They're gonna eat up your data anyways. It doesn't matter. It's not like I use Facebook. I'm too young for that. If you guys enjoyed, let me know.